All right, man. Thanks, bro. Thank you, man. It's easier to look away, bro. Okay? Okay, man. See you, buddy. What is up, everybody? It's the Moto Martian coming at you with a I'm not even sitting on my bike today, and I'm going to explain why. So the reason why I'm on this bike is my brother just actually ended up buying this just now, and I'm riding it home, and it was a pretty good pretty easy transaction with a very good guy. Knew all about his bike, answered all of our questions. Yeah, that's it. This is his, and this is a this bike is a 2009 CBR RR. And it has what, 16,000 kilometers on it, so you got a pretty good deal for it. So I guess my brother will be riding with me now. Which is fine by me. But first, we gotta get gas before we run out. Alright, gang, that's it. Ride safe. Till next time.